You tell me which one is the sundog. Huh? I don't know. You tell me. Can anybody point out the sundog in this picture? Well, it's a very rare phenomenon that we have that occurs here about every other day. And we have two sundogs. Huh? Or three. This guy looks over there, but here we go. So we got dual sundogs. Maybe we can get three up there. Hmm? Boy, that one's getting pretty bright. Look at that. Just incredibly bright. That one's still elongated. Wow. That man was kind of coming back over there. Sundog created by chemtrail. Interesting, folks. Of course, we all know what's in there. Ice crystals. Sure. Mixed with other madness. But now we got a whole circle going around the sun. Starting down there, all the way up here, all the way around. You can see the rainbow there. It's a pretty neat shot, guys. Take care.